What's up guys, it's Noyerad back with another video. Today what I got for you guys is a tutorial on how to create and save templates in FL Studio 20. Alright guys, so to start off with, I'm gonna use a blank instance of FL Studio, so a blank default session. From here you can go ahead and add whatever you want your template to be. For example, if you want it to be a vocal mixing template, you might want to put a compressor on there, some distortion, an EQ. So let me go ahead and just run through an example for you guys. Let's say that I want to make a template where I'm setting up vocals. I can do this by going to the mixer, opening the mixer, and then simply choosing any of these to put an effect on. So let's put some reverb on this instance. Let's put an EQ on this instance, right? And so let's say that this is a template that we want to save. We're gonna go ahead and go here, save as. It depends on what system you have. I have a regular PC, so I'm gonna go to the Windows C drive. I'm gonna go to project files, image line, FL Studio 20, data, and then I'm gonna go to templates. And you can create a new folder or you can save your template in one of these folders. Let's just say I click minimal. I've created my own template here guys, so you can see it says Noyerad's templates. If I go here and I just name this vocal mixing template, and I exit out of FL Studio, the next time that I open it, I should be able to select that template. So let's go. Ooh, totally forgot where the templates were. Okay, so let's go to file, new from template, and what do we have here? It says Noyerad's templates. We also have down here vocal mixing template. When you click on it, it should open up with the effects that you put on it, and that's it. Alright, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for y'all. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. I'm always here for y'all. Till next time.